Providers have once again sued the Biden administration over the independent dispute resolution processes included in the No Surprises Act. This newest lawsuit was filed September 22nd by the Texas Medical Association, a physician, and a hospital. Key thing to remember here is that the consumer protections included in the No Surprises Act remain unchanged. They are not impacted by these lawsuits. Instead, these lawsuits are looking at the ways payers pay providers for out-of-network claims. That's the subject of this lawsuit. It's also the subject of many other lawsuits. Some were paused or dismissed when the feds released a final rule at the end of August. It was the U.S. Departments of Health and Human Services, Labor, and Treasury that released that final rule to try to implement some of the independent dispute resolution processes within the No Surprises Act. So these providers sued right after the No Surprises Act was first effective, January 1st, 2022, and they sued again after that final rule was issued at the end of August. They say they still don't like the processes of how to resolve payment disputes between payers and out-of-network providers. And after that final rule was issued, the providers say it still violates the Administrative Procedures Act. We still don't like it. Now, health policy experts say this new lawsuit really should not affect the No Surprises Act's underlying ban on surprise medical bills for patients. But there could be a cost implication. If the litigation instigated by providers is ultimately successful, it could mean a more costly independent dispute resolution process. Overall, that means consumers, employers, and the government could face higher premiums to pay for it, and that just undermines some of the cost-saving measures Congress intended when they passed the No Surprises Act in the first place. The No Surprises Act hoped to create a fair, predictable, cost-effective, and reasonable payment determination process. We're going to follow this lawsuit and other developments about the No Surprises Act. In the meantime, you can read the lawsuit. We link to it in the description below.